You're bidding on a hydraulic portable unit. This came from the government. They're claiming that it's usable, serviceable. Doesn't look like it's got much use on the tires. Here's the tank for it here. We're a little cramped for space. You could help us out and buy it from us and we'll have more space. Just a hint, if you're interested. You want to drop that pintle? No, the pintle. Okay, and then, no, leave it down. We've got to open the box. That looks like a regular pressure hose. I don't know. I think that I read someplace that's 8 or 10 feet. Okay. Then it's got a hand pump here. I don't see nothing happening on the gauge. I don't know. Then it's got another pump here. Let me get out of the way. You want to do that one? That's a back and forth. Gauge doesn't move. We don't really know how to operate it. That's fine. I'm good, Bob. You can go. Nice looking unit. I'm sure this puppy costs a lot of money. Tire could use some air in it. It's been sitting a while. I'll take individual shots, but this is what it is. You got a fleet of trucks or airplanes or whatever, this could be the thing for you. That's it. Good luck bidding.